I'm Sandy Hughes with 3C Medical, and we're going to go over the contents of our 3C Medical GSW Kit with the Vanquest pouch. Showing you here in gray, but we have other colors that we'll talk about. So first I want to show you that the tourniquet is mounted on the outside along with the trauma shears, because that makes it easy to remove the clothing with the trauma shears if you need to. Then you can grab this real quick and have it ready to go. Recommend that you pre-stage it first. There's also an option to upgrade to the SAM XT tourniquet. That's an option, and that's the trauma shears. So when you first open this pouch, you can see it's real organized inside, and everything's got a place. Everything's secured in here, so you're not going to have everything fall out of the bag when you open it. First thing on top is probably the thing that you're going to use the most, and this is the scratch and dent kit. And there's a lot of meds in here, Tylenol, Advil, some gloves, wound wash, wipes, and also some Band-Aids and ointment. So that's probably the thing you'll use the most, and it comes in a little Ziploc so you can replace that. So another thing that's right out front so you can grab it easy, because this is something you'll need quick when you need it, but this is the Quikclot Hemostatic Gauze. So that's in the front. And then if you needed some additional wound packing, there's a compressed gauze. It can be used for wound packing or just as your base dressing to bandage a wound. Followed by the North American Rescue Mini Trauma Dressing. So that's got a nice wrap to it, so you can apply a pressure dressing with that. Then we just have some 4x4s that you can hold direct pressure as you're getting your other stuff ready. There's 2 of those. And a piece of duct tape. And why we put that in here, there's actually a pair of vented chest seals here, so you'll have that pair. But then if you had additional wounds, since this is the GSW kit, you might have an exit wound. So you have the duct tape because you can use any of this plastic packaging as additional chest seals. So there's duct tape. There's also a bunch of uses for duct tape. You can use it for closing wounds and all kinds of things. Then we have a roller gauze. So if you have just like more of a minor bandage at the range or elsewhere, you can use the 4x4 and the gauze to roll that up. And on this side we have a nasal airway. So anybody with CLS training has been trained in that, but there might be also someone around you that is trained in that, so we put that in the GSW kit. And then you have here the CPR mask, and then 2 pairs of gloves. There's an additional pair of gloves in the scratch and dent kit here. And I love this bag. We just started carrying some Vanquest stuff and switching some of our bags over to this. But it's got the MOLLE on the outside. You can wear it on a belt. There's MOLLE sticks that secure that to the belt, or you can mount it to any tactical panel in your vehicle or elsewhere. So great quality. The zippers are great. So good bag.